Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you a new effect on Capcut, and here is how to make yourself a twin using the Doppelganger effect in Capcut. So first you need to add your clips to Capcut, and then we can just go to the effects, body effects, and here you'll find the effects on the trending. The trending here you'll find doppelganger effect. Just click on the effects and you can adjust it. If you want, you can adjust the amount, you can adjust the intensity, rotate, speed, and also twist. But if you like with the default setting, just click on a check icon, and here you'll get that twin effect like this. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.